Do you want to become a more successful affiliate marketer? Consider using the social media site Pinterest. As the fourth most popular social media channel with 444 million monthly active users, many of whom are women, Pinterest is one of the most powerful marketing tools in the world. In the US, almost half of women use Pinterest. Even better, compared to 28% of Snapchat users, 29% of Facebook users, and 20% of TikTok users, 40% of Pinterest users make an annual salary of more than $75,000 a year. For affiliate marketers wishing to supplement their revenue with a high-value affiliate scheme, this is excellent news. You can use the platform to automatically boost affiliate sales if you have even some experience with graphic design and intriguing things to share. Pin is an image linked to an external website which users can save and organize on their personal boards to serve as virtual inspiration collages for concepts, goods, or ideas. Savvy affiliate marketers can use the social networking and cross-search engine platform to promote their affiliate material, including blog articles, landing pages, and YouTube videos. After all, your chances of making affiliate sales and collecting commission improve the more individuals who see your link with some bloggers, for example, seeing a 50% boost in traffic. If you're an affiliate selling visually appealing products, Pinterest should be at the top of your list of priorities, given that Pinterest's most popular categories are understandably visual. Due to the popularity of recreational goods, home goods, cosmetics, and toiletries on user boards, affiliate marketers are perfectly positioned to leverage Pinterest for effectively marketing their goods in a popular environment built to showcase what they have to offer. So here are 9 strategies to generate passive revenue through Pinterest affiliate marketing. Given the countless pins, images, and links coming at you from the time you open the app, it can be intimidating to launch the Pinterest app for the first time. If you want to use Pinterest to grow your affiliate marketing business, but don't know where to begin, we've got you covered. Check out our tips to kickstart your Pinterest affiliate business today. Tip number 1, understand the guidelines. Because much of Pinterest content is timeless, it has a lot to offer. Time spent on the work up front will pay off in the long run, and you'll receive compensation in the form of a consistent flow of new website visitors and affiliate revenue. With Pinterest, we have pins from years ago still producing traffic and consequently affiliate revenue. But on many other social networks, ongoing content generation is required to achieve momentum. You can only do it if you are aware of the regulations. Your diligent work will be for naught if you are caught off guard a few months into your strategy. So let's get acquainted with the Pinterest affiliate marketing guidelines before continuing. First tip in understanding the guidelines, on disclosing affiliate links, make affiliate links known. The FTC, Federal Trade Commission, has tight guidelines. Label any affiliate content as sponsored or associated in the pin description and on the website you're sending visitors to, just as a precaution so they know that this is promoted content. Only run a single Pinterest account. That's the second tip. By repinning information from various accounts, some marketers attempt to manipulate the system. The platform's rules clearly state, however, do not operate numerous accounts or coordinate with other persons with the goal of abusing the Pinterest platform. So be careful and only run a single Pinterest account. Third, in terms of understanding the guidelines, no cloaking. With the use of redirection technologies like Bitly, many affiliate marketers conceal their affiliate links. According to Pinterest community rules, pinners should be able to reasonably anticipate where your link will take them. We encourage you to follow the no surprises philosophy, as that will help you stay current in your Pinterest account. Tip number 2, plan out pins beforehand. Speaking of automation, schedule your new pins ahead of time to eliminate the need for mental reminders to share them. There are programs like Tailwind, Later, and Hootsuite that can relieve you of this responsibility. Add additional materials to your queue and create a personalized timetable. When the time comes, it will instantly be pinned on your board. What's the best? Well, the likelihood of contacting users while they're online is increased by scheduling pins in advance. New content is displayed in a user's feed via the Pinterest algorithm. For some users, that might be 7 a.m., and for others, it might be 5 p.m. Scheduling content for different times of the day when your audience is online will automatically enhance reach and awareness. Tip number 3 for your Pinterest passive income strategy, try using rich pins. Rich pins on the site are more detailed than regular photos. They provide more details to the pin description, which draws more attention in a crowded feed and increases your chances of getting visitors from Pinterest. For the following categories of materials, enable rich pins. For example, recipes, articles, and products. For recipes, in your rich pin, indicate the cooking time, rating, ingredients, and serving sizes. For articles, in your rich pin, display the title, summary, and author for those articles. For products, display the current prices and inventory in your rich pin. All of those will help you to get more views and engagement with those pins. Although the procedure to enable rich pins is a little challenging, you only need to complete it once. All subsequent qualifying pins will be rich pins if you follow this procedure. Add rich meta tags to the pages you wish to use rich pins for, such as a blog article review of your affiliate product. To ensure that the tags have been posted correctly, use the rich pin validator. Choose HTML, Embed, or Shopify, depending on how you added rich meta tags to your page. Apply now, then wait 24 hours for your application to be authorized. Then you can get started using rich pins. Tip number 4, add mini pins to each post. Users of Pinterest are not likely to interact with a single kind of pin. Instead, scan the search results for your sector, where you will find a wide variety of visual information from which to take your marketing cues. There is no limit on the number of affiliate pins you may make for a single article or link, but a high-quality graphic differentiating you from the competition is the secret to a successful pin. Try experimenting with various pin templates using DIY marketing tools such as Canva, and play with different designs. For example, stock photos versus graphics, vertical images or horizontal orientation, heavy text compared to purely visual, color pictures or black and white photos. The multiple pin technique gives you the chance to target a wider range of keywords. If you have an article about making money, for instance, you may build a pin that is optimized for a variety of relevant keywords that correspond to the intended search goal of making money, such as side business, extra income, etc. All of this may be directed to a single page on your website, which can lessen the necessity for creating new material. Be warned, however, new pin creation can take some time. Some affiliate marketers use a program called Placid to automatically create a Pinterest banner whenever certain new blogs or content are posted to their site by users. You can even configure the program to generate photos automatically from services like Integromat, Dropbox, Airtable, and more. Take your time back by integrating smart automations to your marketing efforts. Tip number 5, improve SEO. The Pinterest algorithm links keywords to pins. Discovering the search terms used by your intended audience is a good place to start. A browser plugin called Keywords Everywhere displays the monthly search traffic along with the suggestions based on a single seed term. Find keywords with a monthly volume between 10,000 and 100,000 by logging into Pinterest ads. You should frequently use the primary keywords in both your pin creatives and your pin board. Do a Pinterest search using your keyword, discover the content style that performs best, then create 4 to 6 versions of that type. When adopting Pinterest SEO, you should pay particular attention to the following 3 areas once you have your keywords. First, board summary. Boards are more focused than profiles, but they are not as precise as pins. Use neutral terms in your board's title and description, like shoe tutorials or women's health suggestions. Second, profile on Pinterest. In your account bio, include pertinent keywords that relate to the main theme of your material. In your account description. Third, pin explanation. Expand the scope of the keywords associated with each particular pin. Use the how-to keyword in your pin description. Tip number 6, examine pin effectiveness. The more information you have about your pins, the more effectively you can hone your Pinterest affiliate marketing plan. Use Pinterest analytics and scheduling applications to space out the release of fresh content and set a monthly reminder to review the performance of your pins. Discover what occurs during the visits of those who arrived at your website via Pinterest by creating a special Google Analytics segment. In order to determine how many individuals actually made a purchase from an item you shared on Pinterest, check your affiliate dashboard. That is, after all, what your affiliate marketing plan is all about. The following metrics should be kept in mind while doing this evaluation. First, length of stay. What distinguishes visitors from other sites from those who utilize Pinterest? A long stay on the site and a low bounce rate show that your pin is relevant to the information on your landing page. 2. Conversions. Pay particular attention to products that you extensively pushed but didn't sell all that well, or ones that you didn't promote yet had great conversion rates. Consider balancing your content strategy in light of this. Third, rate of clicks. How many people click on your pin after seeing it? Which pins receive the most clicks? Do pins with well-known blogger or influencer endorsements generate more traffic? These are 3 areas of analytics that you should keep in mind when examining your pin effectiveness. Tip number 7, pin to community boards. Not every Pinterest board needs to be a person's personal mood board. Multiple people can share content on a board with the aid of group boards. Greater awareness is a natural result of this community-style board. Users share pins with their respective audiences, and that makes it powerful. Utilize resources like PinGroupie to locate relevant message boards in the market your affiliate products belong to. To learn how to contribute, see the group board's description, since many require that you follow the board's originator. A new group board's posting guidelines are also included. Direct affiliate links to product pages are prohibited by some administrators, so be careful of that. Use a landing page made of blog posts or YouTube videos to get around this. Tip number 8, expand your email list via Pinterest. Most people who use Pinterest don't buy things to remedy immediate problems, according to research. Long after the affiliate cookie's expiration date, they're making plans. The optimal Pinterest affiliate marketing plan, therefore, is collecting email addresses from readers. This will enable you to market affiliate goods using drip email marketing campaigns that educate readers and prepare them for your offer. The simplest method to achieve this is to have a landing page opt-in for emails. Use a lead magnet, coupon code, or other incentive to entice Pinterest users to subscribe to your mailing list. Create an email campaign that nurtures them once they sign up for your list. You'll have a direct line of communication with them, so any potential commission lost when a Pinterest user leaves your site without making a purchase through an affiliate link is not permanently lost. Tip number 9, our final tip for today. Avoid repeatedly pinning the same website or affiliate link. When you pin the same URL too frequently, Pinterest may consider it spam and flag your account for the spam filter, which is something you definitely do not want. In a sense, your Pinterest account gets shadow banned by the spam filter. As a good guideline, the same URL should not be pinned again on Pinterest for at least 24 hours. To be on the safe side, we strongly advise delaying by a few days. Now, you can take these 9 tips and integrate them into your passive income plan to help you build up your marketing affiliate program and to build the passive income and the lifestyle you're looking for.